Hey freshers, welcome to Chegg. Today, I'm going to take you through our ultimate guide that will help you adapt to college life right here in India. Trust me, we won't bore you with the usual suggestions like attend classes or make friends. We're diving deep into an uncharted territory. So, buckle up, because this is the one video you didn't know you needed. Tip 1. Orientation sessions. Now, I know that attending the orientation session sounds like a boring experience to sit through, but it's like your college's How to Survive manual, with fewer words and more awkward icebreakers. Tip number 2. Learn the local lingo. Language barriers can often get in the way of making friends, but once you get a hang of the lingo, you'll become comfortable with the culture and easily be able to initiate conversations. Tip number 3. Mingle beyond majors. Break free from the academic bubble. Engage with students from other departments. You'll be surprised by the perspectives you'll gain. Tip number 4. Evolve your point of view. College is not just about textbooks. So, engage in debates that happen after the lectures. Share your perspective and get to learn something new. Tip number 5. Establish open communication with roommates. Your roommates will be your co-pilot till you are a part of this college. Get to know them beyond their Instagram handles. They might make your life easy in ways you don't know yet. Tip number 6. Celebrate cultures and diversity. India is a melting pot of various cultures. Embrace diversity, be more open-minded and participate in the cultural fests at your college. Try to expand your horizons beyond your academic curriculum. Tip number 7. Be more than just book smart. Knowing everything that's in your book is great, but street smarts are as crucial as book smarts. Embrace the wisdom you get in your college. It'll help you in the long run. Tip number 8. Enhance your social skills. College just isn't about exams and classes, it's more. People take college societies or clubs very seriously and passionately. Not only does it help you get involved and meet new people, but also looks impressive on your resume. Tip number 9. Bank on your alumni network. Connect with alumni for insights. Your seniors will have stories that'll give you a very real glimpse into the post-college journey. So, take advantage of their valuable advice. Tip number 10. Network more than just on LinkedIn. Networking isn't just for LinkedIn folks. You can and should attend events that align with your hobbies and interests, which is what this strategy is all about, attending unconventional networking events. This means you're literally hanging out at places that interest you and are surrounded by people that share these interests. And who knows, you might end up meeting your future business partner. Tip number 11. Ask more questions. Never shy away from asking questions. In lectures, friend circles, anywhere. You might get some strange looks, but you'll always learn something new. Tip number 12. Think further. It's never too early to think about your life after you graduate. Internships, networking, and gaining practical skills are all a part of it. Do what it takes to start preparing for the next chapter of your life. And there you have it. 12 unheard tips to adapt to college life here in India. Remember, college is not just about classes and exams. It's about making memories, finding yourself, and becoming the person you were always meant to be. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more such guides, and hit that bell icon. Because, let's face it, college can be unpredictable, but your notifications don't have to be. Stay tuned to our YouTube channel and stay curious, because your journey has just begun.